Basic English on Version Practice for Beginner. Do you want some cookies?
Words. After you listen, each word, say the word.
Table. Cookies. Basket. See. Conversation.
I'm home, Mom.
Do you want some cookies?
Yes. Where are they?
They are in the basket.
Where is the basket?
It's on the table.
I see it. Can I eat all of them?
Yes, you can.
Practice.
Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better. I'm home, Mom.
Do you want some cookies?
Yes. Where are they?
They are in the basket.
Where is the basket?
It's on the table.
I see it. Can I eat all of them?
Yes, you can.
Word quiz. Basket. Cookies. Table. See. Conversation quiz.
Where is the basket?
It's on the table. Are in the basket.
I'm home, Mom.
They are in the basket. Do you want some cookies?